Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to change your laptop screen color using simple settings available in Windows. Whether you want warmer tones for nighttime or more vibrant colors, this tutorial will guide you through it all. Let's get started. Part 1. Enable Night Light. Step 1. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and turn on Night Light. Click on Night Light Settings to adjust the strength or schedule for certain hours. Part 2. Calibrate Display Colors. Calibrate Display Colors. Step 1. Click the Start menu and search for color calibration. Step 2. Open Calibrate Display Color. Step 3. Follow the steps to adjust gamma, brightness, contrast, and color balance. Part 3. Use graphic settings. Step 1. Right-click on your desktop and choose your graphics panel, like Intel Graphics Settings, NVIDIA Control Panel, or AMD Radeon Software. Step 2. Go to Display or Color Settings. Step 3. Adjust the color temperature, saturation, brightness, or contrast as needed. Bonus. Use color filters. Step 1. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Color Filters. Then toggle it on and choose the filter that works best for you. You can enable grayscale, inverted colors, or filters for color blindness. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to change your screen color on a Windows laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.